The IVo Steam machines, both of them, that's the Tekna 4.5 bar and the Athena 8 bar, they come with a wide variety of accessories, including some very handy small area cleaning accessories, like this small steam nozzle. Now that fits onto the 80mm nozzle attachment here, and can be used just for steaming out very small detail areas, crevices and so on, where there's dirt and ingrained grease, and of course infection. They can be used for sanitizing. Can be a very useful little nozzle. Can also be used with the small brushes. They can also screw on there. That can be a very useful attachment. Also, we have our larger size brushes, also available in the brass variety. These large diameter brushes can be very useful for scrubbing really ingrained dirt in small detail areas. And we also have our sink unblocking attachment. Can be very useful if you've got a blocked sink with fat and so on down inside the plug hole. Fix it down in, and you can fire your steam down inside the drain to melt the fat and dissolve it. We also have the three vacuum accessories. Standard accessory you'll be very used to seeing with vacuums for crevices, and then we have this brush accessory that slips on the end of that. This is for down behind radiators, behind all those inaccessible areas where you need to dust and vacuum, whereas normally if you just dust, you shake out the dust down below, but you don't actually vacuum it up. But with the vacuum, you have the brush and also the vacuum in these side sections here to take the dust away. Very, very effective. Also, we have our corner and edge vacuuming brush. This is for use in areas where you have a lot of dust on ledges, so maybe higher up ledges or lower down near the floor, but this can be very useful with this shape of brush to get to all the dust and give it a scrub up as well as vacuuming. Thanks for looking at this video today. If you'd like a demonstration of the steam machines with all the accessories, then just let us know. We'd be glad to bring one along.